after establishing new growth. These flowers tolerate full to partial sunlight in a variety of soil conditions. Also, Shasta daisies are deer-resistant and drought-resistant perennials, so that these flowers will shine for a few years in your garden. Because of their availability to self-sow, the Shasta daisy can overcrowd or invade an environment if not maintained. Light. Shasta daisies love full, direct sunlight but can also thrive in partial sun. The more sunlight these plants receive, the more these flowers bloom throughout the season. Soil. Keep soil moderately rich and fertile so that these flowers bloom. Shasta daisies are not too particular about soil conditions, as they can survive in rich soil or soil with organic matter or compost. Soil should be well drained because these flowers do not tolerate soggy soil. Water. Shasta daisies are better when underwater rather than overwatering. These flowers are relatively drought tolerant, needing about an inch of water weekly. Be sure to keep the soil moist yet not soggy. Temperature and humidity. Similarly to its water, soil, and sun conditions, Shasta daisies tolerate many different temperature conditions. These flowers are hardy in some areas but should remain out of humid environments because it contributes to soggy soil, which can cause rot. Fertilizer. Adding fertilizer, compost, or other organic material to the soil helps retain the nutrients for Shasta daisies, especially during its blooming season. Use a well-balanced fertilizer every month during summer to supplement it in its growing season.
Did you say 5 B's? Great job.